The ultimate universe and AI facts. 10 mind-blowing discoveries you didn't know about. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, the universe is full of mysteries that have captivated humankind for millennia. And now, with the dawn of artificial intelligence, we stand on the precipice of unraveling these cosmic secrets in ways we never thought possible. Today, we're diving into 10 mind-blowing discoveries that will completely change the way you see the cosmos and AI. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open. The expanding universe unveiling the mystery of dark energy. Our journey begins with the cosmos. We once believed in a static universe. Edwin Hubble discovered the universe is expanding. Imagine a balloon with dots. As it inflates, the dots move apart like galaxies. What's driving this expansion? Dark energy. It makes up 68% of the universe, an invisible force with undeniable effects, opposite of gravity. Gravity pulls, dark energy pushes, stretching space-time, accelerating expansion. Scientists seek to understand its implications. AI, the new frontier in cosmic exploration. Now let's shift our focus from the vastness of space to the incredible world of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's rapidly becoming an indispensable tool in our quest to understand the universe. Imagine sifting through billions of stars, each a potential sun with its own solar system. The sheer volume of data is overwhelming, even for the most dedicated astronomers. That's where AI comes in. AI algorithms are capable of analyzing vast amounts of astronomical data with incredible speed and accuracy. They can identify patterns and anomalies that would take human researchers years, if not decades, to uncover. With AI by our side, we're entering a new golden age of astronomical discovery. The universe is vast and complex, but with AI's help, we're finally starting to unravel its secrets. Black holes, gateways to the unknown. Black holes, those cosmic monsters that lurk in the hearts of galaxies, have long captivated our imaginations. They're regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. Imagine a place where the laws of physics as we know them break down. A place where time and space become distorted, where the very essence of reality is warped beyond recognition. That's the allure of a black hole. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first-ever image of a black hole, a supermassive behemoth lurking at the center of the galaxy M87. This groundbreaking image sent shockwaves through the scientific community, providing concrete evidence for what was once considered a theoretical curiosity. Black holes play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies, influencing star formation and shaping the large-scale structure of the cosmos. Some scientists even believe that black holes could be gateways to other universes, portals to realms beyond our comprehension. The question of whether or not we're alone in the universe has haunted humanity for centuries. For decades, we've been scanning the heavens for any sign of extraterrestrial intelligence, listening for radio signals, searching for biosignatures, and sending probes to distant worlds. But so far, the search has yielded no definitive proof of life beyond Earth. But now, with the advent of AI, the search for extraterrestrial life is entering a new era. AI algorithms are capable of analyzing vast amounts of data from space telescopes and other instruments, searching for patterns and anomalies that might indicate the presence of alien civilizations. AI is also being used to develop new strategies for searching for extraterrestrial intelligence, such as looking for technosignatures, signs of advanced technology that could indicate the presence of an alien civilization. With AI by our side, we're not just searching for life, we're searching smarter. Our cosmic journey now takes us to the edge of the observable universe, where we encounter structures so vast, they defy comprehension. Among these cosmic titans, one stands out as the largest known structure in the universe, the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. Imagine a wall so vast that it would take light itself over 10 billion years to cross it. That's the scale of the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, a colossal filament of galaxies, gas, and dark matter stretching for billions of light-years across the cosmos. This cosmic behemoth was discovered in 2013 by a team of astronomers using data from the Sloan Digital Sky Survey. The discovery of the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall challenged our understanding of the universe's large-scale structure. It suggests that the universe is not as uniform as we once thought, but rather contains vast clusters and filaments of matter separated by immense voids. As we explore the universe's vastness, we're also venturing into the digital realm, where AI is playing an increasingly important role in our quest to unravel the cosmos's secrets. One of the most mind-blowing applications of AI in cosmology is the creation of simulated universes. Imagine a universe in a computer, a virtual cosmos where you can manipulate the laws of physics, rewind time, and watch galaxies evolve before your very eyes. Scientists are using AI to create increasingly sophisticated simulations of the universe from the Big Bang to the present day. These simulations are helping us to understand how the universe formed, how galaxies evolved, and the role of dark matter and dark energy in shaping the cosmos. By tweaking the parameters of these simulations, scientists can test different theories about the universe's origins and evolution. These simulations are not just pretty pictures, they're powerful tools that are helping us to unlock the secrets of the universe. Chapter 7. The Fermi Paradox. Where is everyone? The universe is vast, ancient, and teeming with billions upon billions of stars. So where is everyone? This seemingly simple question lies at the heart of the Fermi Paradox, a profound mystery that has puzzled scientists and philosophers for decades. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, the paradox highlights the apparent contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life existing somewhere in the universe and the lack of any observational evidence to support it. Think about it. If even a tiny fraction of stars harbor planets, and a tiny fraction of those planets are habitable, then there should be countless worlds out there capable of supporting life. Given enough time, some of those civilizations should have developed advanced technology, perhaps even surpassing our own. So why haven't we encountered any signs of these advanced civilizations? The Fermi Paradox offers no easy answers, only a tantalizing array of possibilities. Chapter 8. Quantum AI. The next leap in cosmic understanding. Prepare to enter the strange world of quantum mechanics, where a new era of computation is dawning. Quantum AI, merging quantum computing and AI, could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. Imagine a computer performing calculations that would take classical computers billions of years. Quantum AI's potential applications in cosmology are staggering. Imagine using quantum computers to simulate the Big Bang, unraveling dark matter and dark energy, or searching for signs of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. Quantum AI is a testament to human ingenuity and our thirst for knowledge. Chapter 9. The Multiverse glimpses into parallel realities. Hold on tight as we venture into the mind-bending realm of the multiverse, a concept so strange, so counterintuitive, that it stretches the very limits of our imagination. What if our universe, vast and ancient as it is just one of an infinite number of universes, each with its own unique laws of physics, its own cosmic history, its own possibilities? The idea of the multiverse arises from several theoretical frameworks, including string theory and inflationary cosmology. String theory, for example, suggests that our universe is just one of 10 to the power of 500 possible universes, each with its own unique set of physical constants and laws. Inflationary cosmology, on the other hand, proposes that our universe underwent a period of exponential expansion in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang. This rapid expansion could have created bubbles in space-time, each of which gave rise to a separate universe. Chapter 10. Humanity's Role in the Cosmic Symphony. As we stand at the intersection of artificial intelligence and cosmic exploration, we're faced with a profound question. What role will humanity play in the future of the universe? We are a species of explorers, of dreamers, of innovators. We are driven by a deep-seated curiosity, a thirst for knowledge, a desire to understand our place in the grand scheme of things. The discoveries we make today, the technologies we develop, the choices we make, will shape the future of humanity and our relationship with the universe. We have the potential to become a multi-planetary species, to colonize other worlds, to spread life and consciousness throughout the cosmos. But we also face significant challenges. The future is not predetermined. It's up to us to create the future we want to see. The universe is a vast and awe-inspiring place, full of mystery and wonder. If these facts blew your mind, imagine what's still out there waiting to be discovered. The universe is vast, ever-expanding, and filled with mysteries that we are only just beginning to uncover. We've explored how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos, helping us to unravel its secrets and glimpse its infinite possibilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode of Cosmic Exploration. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe.